Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Education for All, and I am your teacher Maria Maman, and today we are starting our 10th class biology book, and here is the chapter number 1, and name of the chapter is Gaseous Exchange. So dear students, let's see the major concepts of our chapter number 1. So, dear students, in this chapter, first of all, we will learn about the introduction of gaseous exchange. Then we will discuss gaseous exchange in animals, and then gaseous exchange in plants, and then we will discuss the gaseous exchange in men, air passageway and lungs, mechanism of breathing, respiratory disorders and their causes. And in respiratory disorders, we will discuss asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and lung cancer. And dear students, finally, we will discuss effects of smoking. So, dear students, let's start our chapter number 1, gaseous exchange, and here is the introduction of our chapter number 1. So dear students, first of all we should know the meaning of word exchange. Exchange means to give something and to have something. So dear students, all the living organisms must need to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide gases with their environment to carry out their vital functions such as respiration. Because respiration is present in all the living organisms, animals and plants, and what may be the animals on and their kinds. So respiration is present in every of the organisms. But in addition to respiration, in our photoautotrophs like plants to carry out gaseous exchange for the process of photosynthesis, means plants also need gaseous exchange for the process of photosynthesis. And dear students, in animals, some live in water and known as aquatic organism, while some live in terrestrial environment. So both the habitats have their own way of gaseous exchange. So dear students, it is the introduction of gaseous exchange, and now we are moving towards the gaseous exchange in plants. So dear students, in plants, gaseous exchange is performed in both the process photosynthesis and as well as in respiration. So dear students, photosynthesis takes place in the day timing in the presence of sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll, means in the green parts of plants, mainly in the leaves, and they take in carbon dioxide and water, means In photosynthesis, simple inorganic materials are used and then complex organic food is manufactured and oxygen is released in the environment is a byproduct. So the whole process takes place in the green parts of plants while the respiration takes place in all the cells of the plants, and respiration continues in all the time in day or night, while the process of photosynthesis is occurring only at the daytime, only in the presence of light. So, dear students, during the respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out, and while in the photosynthesis carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is taken out as a byproduct with the food, with the photosynthesis, and that oxygen is used for the respiration, and the process of respiration in presence of oxygen is known as aerobic respiration, and during the respiration energy is released which is used for the functions of life, for the different functions and activities of life. So, dear students, for respiration in plants, minute pores are present which are known as stomata, and these stomata are present in the leaves, while some respiration also takes place within the roots and stem. So, dear students, here my today's lecture is completed and hope you understand. And if there is any type of question related with this lecture, you can ask in the comment section, and inshallah in our next lecture we will discuss the difference between the photosynthesis and respiration. Till then, stay tuned with Education for All, and do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.